When the map numbers are assigned to the accounts take on all properties, including any codes listed in the tax export code and the M3 code columns. If you're not using the mapping functionality of CaseWare Working Papers, you can still use the Assign dialog under the Account menu to assign either your tax export codes and or your M3 codes to the accounts. This allows the user to drag one or more accounts across to the appropriate grouping. If I select Assign Tax Export Codes, we will see the unassigned accounts on the left-hand side and the tax codes on the right-hand side. This is the exact same dialog that we see for mapping and other grouping assignments of the accounts. When the account is assigned to the appropriate tax code, it is removed from the unassigned side, so we only ever deal with the accounts that are not yet assigned to make sure that they get assigned properly. I'm going to leave it as is for now, and that takes me back to my mapping dialog. And finally, tax export codes can also be assigned directly to the working trial balance. And I would just go into the working trial balance, and we can see that I have a tax export code and an M3 code column in my working trial balance. I may want to fold the working trial balance so that I can continue to see my descriptions as I work through and assign those particular codes. On top of that, we do have a tax tab in the working trial balance, which allows us once again to assign tax export codes and M3 codes directly to the accounts if desired. Now going back to the Account tab, if I click on the drop down here, that is going to give me the same list that we saw earlier, but in this case, this is my C Corp list because I am currently set to a C Corp in my engagement properties.